Hi! In front of me is our Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password added to Google Passwords Manager. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, tap on one of your passwords. I will go with Call of Duty, and enter your current login method. Finally, to check it out, click on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!